How to receive calls from contacts only on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can receive calls from contacts only on Android. Now before I teach you guys how you can do that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to receive calls from contacts only, you will need to use your phone's do not disturb mode. So what we'll do is we'll enable the DND and configure it to allow calls from contacts only. So let's begin with that. First of all, locate your settings and open it up. After you do that, you'll need to go to sounds and vibration. So search for that and open that up. After you're on sound and vibration, you'll find the do not disturb option. Tap on it. And from here, you'll find the people option. Tap on people. And from here, you'll need to head over to calls or any other similar path depending on your Android version. So tap on the calls option. And from here, select contacts only. After you select contacts only, now all you have to do is go back here, turn on your DND, and after you do that, you'll only be receiving calls from your contacts. And that's how you receive calls from contacts only on Android. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.